Divine guidance. The Qur'an is not just a book to read, it's a life to live. What single book has guided 2 billion people, changed kings into servants, and remained unchanged for 1400 years?
The Qur'an is guidance for life. This book has no doubt. It is Allah's GPS for you. Every problem you face, marriage, money, stress, the answer is inside.
The Qur'an is a guide for all humanity. It brings peace and light to our daily lives. The Qur'an is healing and mercy. It literally calms your nervous system. This is your direct connection to Allah. When you read, you are speaking to your Creator. The Qur'an brings spiritual healing and peace, calming the heart in difficult times. It is a source of immense reward, building a connection with our Creator, and a complete guide for this life.
It is a shield from evil. The Qur'an will come as an intercessor. It will come on the day of judgment. It will come for its companions. So read the Qur'an. The Qur'an raises your status in this life and the next. It grants your parents a crown of blinding light. Recitation brings barakah to your wealth and time, filling your home with angels and absolute peace. The Qur'an is the direct word of Allah. It is a source of guidance and healing. It softens the heart and increases faith. It brings a believer closer to their Creator, reminding them of the hereafter.
The Qur'an is the central religious text of Islam. Millions of Muslims believe it is the verbatim word of God. It was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. It serves as a guide for life.
Teaching Qur'an to one person means the reward flows even after death. It's the best investment you can make.
The Qur'an is a guide for all humanity. It brings peace and light to our daily lives. It is a guide and a healing for all mankind.
The Holy Qur'an is your guidance for life. It brings ultimate peace to the heart. Reading it strengthens your Iman. It protects you from misguidance. It's a mercy and blessing from Allah.
الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم.